Hello students, today I'll be showing you how to do Quizlet. So we're going to go into our search engine and we're going to hit Quizlet. It will pop up the first one you see, Quizlet.com. Make sure it is the free version. Great. Now we're going to hit sign up in the corner. I have already sent home a paper to your parents informing them that we'll be using Quizlet this year and giving them permission to let you. So we're going to enter your birthday in here. And a username. I want you to type your first name, and then you'll see at the bottom your first name comes up with several different numbers you can choose from. So choose one of these and write it down immediately. You will be turning in your username to me so that I can have a copy of it in order to know who's who in the class, and also so that if you ever forget it, I will have it. You're going to use the email address your parents gave you to use on your sheet. Next, create a password. Your password should be something you can remember, but also complicated enough to not be easily copied. Alright, once you have all that completed, you hit sign up. It will bring you to your home screen. Here is where you have all your classes that you're enrolled in and all the sets you have created. For this class, we're going to go into classes. Now go to join a class. Here's where we're going to be searching for our class. Type in Mrs. Wells. Now several Mrs. Wells classes are on here, so we're going to look for the school name. We're going to look for Brescia University. There we are. You're going to hit request to join. When everybody gets to this point, please raise your hand. That way I can go into my account and accept you all as students. Welcome to my class. I have now accepted you into the class here on Quizlet. Our first assignment is posted right here, Viewpoint Game. I have put on there a couple of questions for y'all to answer. This is my viewpoint game. So we're going to go to flashcards. And as you can see, it's already starting on me. Okay, here's the question. No one may come in or go out without coming through me. I am the strong protector. What am I? This is teaching you point of view. I want you to use context clues and think really carefully about the question. When you're ready to see the answer, you tap it. I'm a door. Now, I want you to go through and answer each question and try to figure it out. Really push yourself to do the best you can. When you are done, you go up to your account and hit log out. As you go through the semester, you can also customize your account and make it more suitable for you. And you can also make Quizlets of your own. So you can make flashcards to study by. We'll be showing you more throughout the year on this.